Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 102, College Reading and Composition 2. We are here in home, which for us acts as a bulletin board to our classroom. Okay, so what do we have on our bulletin board? Up at the top, we have Canvas Help. The 24/7 helpline is here. We also have a link to the Canvas Student Guide. Over to the left, we have Canvas Tutorials, help if you need help in Canvas. And please don't forget, we have Office 365. What is that? Those are apps such as Word, PowerPoint, other apps that you can use online. You just need to click here and log in with your email. Okay, scrolling down, what do we have? We have All About Week 5. This is a video that you are watching and listening to now. Below that, we have Week 5 in modules, May 6th through 12th, 2019. And for this week, we have Discussion 5, the creative response video for Tennessee Williams, A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, and 2 quizzes. We have a graphic image of Vivien Leigh playing Blanche in Williams's play, and a famous line, I don't want realism, I want magic. Okay, the movie link to A Streetcar Named Desire is here. And below it, we have a reminder of our class literary theme, which is pulchritude or physical beauty, and the pronunciation of pulchritude is here. We also have workshopping the essay, which is my pedagogy, my teaching method and philosophy, and how I grade you in this class. Okay, you just have to read it. And I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to scroll back up and click on syllabus and then on instructor and course information. And you have all the different ways you can reach me and my office hours in General Classroom Building 210D, which are from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. And please remember, I Skype during office hours. Here is my Skype number and my Skype name. Okay, all the different ways that you can reach me are listed right here in 1 through 4. And please don't forget that I'm over here in inbox. You're never bothering me. If you ask me a question, you're never asking me too many questions. If something is not clear, then you need to teach me how to make it clear. We need to collaborate together. Okay, I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to click on home. And I'm going to leave us with this image of Blanche. I don't want realism, I want magic. Okay, and have fun with your creative response video. Remember, I'm here. Okay, let's have a good week.